Hi everyone, it's Muriel. So I am coming on tonight to share with you a project that I'm trying to beef up. This is a wreath that was purchased from Target, Easter wreath, right? And this is all the components that it came with, nothing else. And I wanted to gift it to a friend, but it definitely needs a little more oomph. So basically you get the two large stems, the two smaller ones, and then this flower. And on the back, it has the wire that it's wrapped onto. But it's just blah. So I'm going to attempt to spruce this up for you. I'm going to have my daughter put some music behind it because and forward it, make it faster because it's going to take a minute as I have some handmade rolled felt flowers here. I have some grass and I have some stickers that I think will help with it. So bear with me, and either you will see this video or the making of it, or you will just see it once it's finished. Good luck. Wish me luck. Okay, you guys, I think I've done enough. I mean, I think I can go on with a little bit more, but I did want to keep it simple, and I didn't want it to be too Eastery. That's why I didn't add these little eggs on it. I did have that bunny in my Easter box, and I just put a tail on him, and then these rolled flowers. I did put a butterfly here, okay, some bumblebees or some bees, and then on the back it just has grass. So that's probably the best that I'm going to do with this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm going to ask my daughter to speed it up. If she can't, then it will be like a silent movie. You could just hear me wrestling, going back and forth to my Easter box, getting stuff. So thanks again for watching. If you did pick up one of these at Target, you may want to consider altering it because it's a little on the flimsy side, but you can just do anything you want with it. So I hope she likes this. It's a whole lot better than what it was. So thanks for watching. Bye now.